To make this DIY, you're going to need a piece of cardboard any size you want, a strand of cardboard. I'm going to use this gold one I have, cardstock, printer paper, 3 clothespins, scissors, a marker, pencil, whatever you have. I'm using a pen, ruler, hot glue, tape also, I didn't include that though, and 2 piles of rectangles. You're going to need 12 small ones and 14 larger ones. You're going to start with your piece of cardboard. Mine just came like this. You can cut it either way you want. I didn't. It was just like that, so I used it. And you're going to start by taking your cardstock, and you're going to like see what you want to cover and what you don't. I want to cover the bottom part. You can always do a different pattern or whatever you want. And I'm going to use a ruler just to mark about how high I want it, to know up to where I'm going to cut the cardstock. I'm not going to cut the cardboard, just the cardstock. And this isn't the best explanation, but hopefully you understand. So yeah, I'm going to just make a line through the middle, hopefully as straight as I can. And I'm going to take my cardstock, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just like put that over it, make sure that on the other side the line should be there, right where the cardstock is. I'm going to go around it, and that's how much I'm going to cut. And you can cut a little bit extra so you can fold on the sides. I didn't do that because it's cardstock. It doesn't like fold as easy as printer paper. You can choose whatever you want. And now I'm just going to hockle it on. And it's kind of weird here because like my tripod isn't like above me or next to me. It's like in the middle of me, so I can't really show it well. So yeah. But I am hockling it down. When doing this part, be careful not to burn your fingers. And you don't have to put it right on the edge. You can put it a little bit before the edge, so hot glue won't go on the like come out while you're like pushing down the paper. So so there's no like air bubbles. Because then it comes out and then it burns your fingers and it's awful. So yeah, just make sure you're just putting hot glue not on the border but like around it. And so now I'm going to take a piece of printer paper, and I'm going to like put it kind of on top right here, and I'm going to outline what's left of what I'm going to cover. It's already white, but I want it more nicer white, and I don't want to paint it because then it takes forever. And this one actually leaves a nice finish. And you're not going to cut completely around this since this is a thinner, and if you just like glue around, it's going to be like awful. So you're going to cut like a rectangle around it, and then you're going to cut on the sides, and you're going to fold each side over. Like if this I'm not going to explain this 100% well, just look at what I'm doing. And yeah, and try to do this as best as you can. Even put a bit of tape or hot glue right now, like at this step. I didn't, and it ended up being a little bit crooked, so make sure it's nice and straight. And you don't need to put a lot of hot glue here. You can put a little bit. And yeah. And I should have sped up this part, but I didn't because I'm lazy. And yeah. And like if someone's gonna hate on the video, I'm like, why put so much work on something someone hates? So you know. And oh yeah, there's the crooked side. But I'm gonna use some glitter tape. And I told you I forgot to put tape. I did use clear tape and this tape. And you don't have to do this part. You can always just put a strip of white paper. But I had some, and I just said, okay, I'll just put it. You can barely notice it though, because it's white, you know. And now you're gonna take your rectangles. You should have 10. You're gonna not 10. You're gonna have 14. Sorry. And you're gonna grab 4 of them, and you're gonna number them 0 through 3. And the reason is because on the first digit, it only goes up to 3, so it can be 30. And I do suggest to use like a stronger pen or something. And then for the second digit, it can go up all the way to 9. So you're going to go 0 to 9. And the thing is, while putting this in order, I forgot. And you're actually supposed to put the 0 behind the 9 so that it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That way when you hit 9 there, you can later put the 0 and then switch the 1 to 0 from the first digit to a 1. And yeah, if that makes sense, sorry. You can ask about it in the comments. And here, the 12 small rectangles, I'm going to make them into all the months. And at first I did it one way, then I didn't like it, so I redid them. And yeah, and I'm going to put them on some... okay, so I'm going to put them on some clothespins so they wouldn't separate. And here I have some clothespins and you can decorate them. This is where the number's going to go. I decorated 2 of them with glitter nail polish and left the one in the center alone. I should have added some more glitter so it can look nice and more gold, you know. But I didn't, it's fine. And now I'm just going to hot glue them in place. But before that, just make sure to know where you want them. I want them about right where the tape is. So yeah, it's nice to have that little guide so you won't have them all wonky and weird. I mean, mine were still like that, but like, don't pay attention. Like, I bet you guys can do much better than I can. And with that gold piece of cardboard, I didn't really record it, but I cut a strip and fold it so it can go up to it, so it can make a square rectangle. And then I'm gonna take another piece and I'm gonna fold the edges and put them and like insert it so that there's like a base to the little box. And I made this big enough so it can hold the extra numbers and you won't lose them. And you can put something else in it, I don't know, like earrings, a bracelet, reminders. And at first the hot glue didn't really help since the gold was like slipping off. And it was kind of like, you know, a finish. So I ended up putting some clear tape on it. It doesn't look bad. But yeah. The weird thing is that once I put hot glue to attach it to the base, it did stick. And yeah, my tripod exploded, my camera off. So just, yeah. And this is the final product. I did add calendar and the word love.